How to delete a device from Google Home. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to delete a device from Google Home. In order to delete a device from Google Home, you have to follow the steps. So first things first, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account from your device. After which you want to go ahead and click the gear icon from the home page. On the gear icon, you'll be taken to this page where you could see Google Home Mini settings. So at the bottom of the page, you could find remove device. After which, what you want to do is click the remove button or select the particular device that you want to remove. So here you'll be able to find a confirmation. So it says that this device will be removed from your home and unlinked from Google account as well. If this is Google Assistant device, it will no longer give personalized responses or respond to its custom name. So click the remove button if you're sure about it and follow the on-screen prompt in order to go ahead and complete the procedure. So this is the way you could go ahead and delete the device from Google Home. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.